Anna gets up early. It is 7 in the morning. She opens the window. The sun is shining. Anna goes to the kitchen. She drinks a glass of water. Then she makes coffee. Anna has breakfast. She eats bread with butter. Anna looks out the window. The birds are singing. A dog is running through the garden. Anna gets dressed. She wears a red t-shirt and jeans. She packs her bag. Anna goes to the bus stop. The bus arrives in 5 minutes. Anna gets on and sits down. She reads a book. After 20 minutes, she arrives in the city. Anna gets off the bus. She goes to a cafe. There, she meets her friend Lisa. Anna and Lisa order tea. They talk about the day. After an hour, they go shopping. In the evening, Anna goes home. She is tired but happy.